Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg perfectly. We'll dive into the art of preparing eggs in several popular styles, ensuring you achieve delicious results every time. You'll learn the precise temperatures and cooking durations needed for each method, from soft-boiled to perfectly poached. Get ready to master the techniques that will elevate your egg dishes, making them consistently delightful and impressive for any meal of the day. Let's get started on this culinary journey. For perfectly boiled eggs, start by placing them in cold water, then bring to a boil. For a delightful soft-boiled egg with a runny yolk, cook for exactly 6 minutes. If you prefer a jammy, medium-boiled consistency, aim for 8 minutes of cooking time. For a firm, hard-boiled egg, cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath after cooking. This stops the process and makes peeling much easier, ensuring a smooth, unblemished. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they soften. Then, stir in the chopped spinach and cook for another 2 minutes until it wilts down. Finally, pour the whisked eggs evenly over the vegetables, letting them set slightly before moving on. To achieve a perfect poached egg, begin with very fresh eggs and a pot of simmering water, adding about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to help the whites set. Create a gentle swirl in the water before carefully dropping in your egg. Poach for precisely 3 to 4 minutes, which will give you a firm, tender white and a beautifully runny yolk. Gently remove the egg with a slotted spoon, allowing any excess water to drain before serving it on your favorite dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.